Hello friends. Some time ago I was telling you that I might graft some of the curly adeniums, Dorset horn adeniums, to speed up their growth, even though it would make the new leaves non-curly. And I did, and yes, the new leaves did become non-curly. There was several reasons I wanted to do that. One was because as it grows much faster, if I then air layer the original Dorset horn, so it'll be on its own roots, then the new leaves again would become very curly, and I would have quicker large plant which would then bloom profusely, being mature for it, and I would cross-pollinate one with another in hope that the offspring, instead of having 2 to 5% of offspring with curly leaves, it'll be all of them having curly leaves. Another reason was that it'll be a nice big bonsai quicker with curly leaves. But I did have an outside little hope that even before air layering, which is a little bit of a risky surgery, you can say, if I cross-pollinate one with another, because they'll bloom sooner, who knows what offspring would those seeds bring, even though when it's not on its own roots, it loses the curliness. Would same thing happen to the offspring or not? Well, I did cross-pollinate. I have a seed pod, and here's another seed pod. I had more seed pods that already cracked and are drying, ready to be cleaned and planted, and another ones that have a while to go still because they're far away from being dry, and another ones that I already planted are already sprouting, and it's gonna take 10 days, 20 to see the results. Here we go. It's now 35 days after planting seeds, and the result is clear. You can see how the real leaves, not the first sprouting leaves that are part of the seed actually, are curly in compared to same age adenium sprouts that are not Dorset horn. You see how they are much more flat in compared to this. And so that's the result of the experiment, that Adenium Dorset horn, the curly leaf adenium, when grafted on a regular adenium, grows faster, loses its curliness, but its seeds retain that ability 100%. And so this way you get the results faster. Okie dokie artichoke, goodbye my friends, and I'll see you again next week.